In this video, I'll show you how to switch desktops on Windows 11. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. To open the desktop selection menu, click on the task view icon on the bottom taskbar. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Windows key plus tab. To add a new desktop, click the New Desktop button. You can add as many desktops as you need. Click on the desktop you want to switch to. Any open applications on the current desktop will stay on that desktop. For quick switching between desktops, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Windows key plus right or left arrow. Thank you for watching.